Hello and welcome everybody in the stock on 26 November. Let's see what would happen step by step if the in the stock would increase. So I think this is going to be such with the price and technical analysis explanation on the further or wideness of the knowledge about the in-depth stock. So I think this is going to be with slope line here and another one will be on the another slope part, and this will be such a great intersection that would happen in this part. So that because this straight line that has met with this slope line, and then the straight line had met this slope line another one, and this would make an intersection after this movement, then this will be the chance for end of stock to increase in a chart. Maybe it would increase slightly here, but it would increase a lot here. That's what I think about as a trader about the price prediction on 1 day update for end stock. Hope you benefit from this technical analysis video. Good luck.